Hello everyone, my name is Vishwa and I will be explaining the solution for this question. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction becomes 1. So there is a fraction, which means it has a numerator and denominator. So let us assume the fraction to be x by y. Let this be the fraction. Now it is given if we add 1 to the numerator and we subtract 1 to the denominator, then the fraction is 1. Which means x plus 1 must be equal to y minus 1, which can be rewritten as x minus y equal to minus 1 minus 1 or x minus y equal to minus 2. Let us call this equation 1. Now there is one more hint given that the fraction will become 1 by 2 if we add 1 to the denominator. Without doing anything to the numerator, if we add 1 to the denominator, the fraction is 1 by 2, which means 2x must be equal to y plus 1, which can be rewritten as 2x minus y equal to 1. We will call this our second equation. Now we have two equations and two variables. We can solve them. Let us subtract first equation from the second equation. So x minus y equal to minus 2. The second equation minus first equation. Changing the signs. Now 2x minus x is x and minus y plus y is 0 equals 1 plus 2, that is 3. So the value of x is 3. Now let us substitute x is equal to 3 in the first equation. First equation is x is equal to x minus y equal to minus 2. X minus y equals minus 2, and we got the value of x as 3. So 3 minus y equal to minus 2, which means 3 plus 2 equal to y. Value of y is 5. So the required fraction is 3 divided by 5. Let us solve one more question. This is also based on two equations and two variables, but this is about age of two people. Now let us assume two variables for their ages. Let age of Nuri be x and Sonu be y. Now it is given 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. So 5 years ago Nuri's age would have been x minus 5, and that was equal to 3 times Sonu's age, but before 5 years, so Sonu's age also was 5 years less. So this is the first equation that's given to us. We will simplify this. X minus 5 equal to 3y minus 5 times 3, 15. Take y to left hand side, constant to right hand side. So x minus 3y equals minus 15 plus 5, or x minus 3y equals minus 10. First equation. Now it is given Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu 10 years later. So after 10 years, Nuri's age will be x plus 10, and now she will be twice as old as Sonu. So x plus 10 equal to 2y plus 20, x minus 2y equal to 20 minus 10, or x minus 2y equal to 10. This is our second equation, and first equation is x minus 3y equal to minus 10. This was first equation. Now if we subtract these two equations, we can get the value of y. X minus x 0, minus 2y plus 3y is y, 10 plus 10 is 20. So the age of Sonu is 20. Let us substitute this in the second equation. Second equation will become x minus 2 into 20. equals 10. So x minus 40 equals 10, which means x equals 50. So we found the answer. Answer, Nuri's age is 50 years and Sonu's age is 20 years. If you have any doubts in these two questions, feel free to discuss in the comment section below. Thank you.